If you want to access Terabox links for viewing or downloading files, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click Files at the bottom right here, and you're gonna see right here your iPhone or Android name from your files. Basically, if you have allowed access to your photos and videos, you're gonna see a file generated automatically. Go ahead right here and click from iPhone, and I'm gonna select the file that I want to share or view or even download. If I want to view, I can just simply click on the video, but because the video has an audio, I won't be able to do it. So I'm gonna click the picture, and as you can see, I can view the picture. If I want to share the link, I can just go ahead and click the photo, right, and click share from here, and I can copy the link and share it to other people, and other people will be able to see or download the photo or video, right, or file. So if I wanted to download the file, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select the photo, and what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see a little circle right here next to the PNG. Click on it, and then basically if you want to play it offline, you can just go ahead and click play offline, so they can download it, and whenever you're off the grid, you're gonna be able to see the photo without the need to access the internet or connection. And if you want to basically download, you can click more, and you're gonna click export from here to download the file to your device. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.